Hello everyone, Catherine here. Let's look at the distance formula. For each of the following, we want to find the distance between the 2 points and the coordinates of the midpoint of the segments having the points as endpoints. Let's look at our first one here. We have 0, 4, and then -2, 3. Now what might help is to actually write x sub 1, y sub 1. That's my first ordered pair. X sub 2, y sub 2. Now, does it matter which one is the first point and which one is the second point? No. But let's put it into our formula. X sub 2 is -2 minus x sub 1 is 0 squared plus y sub 2 is 3 minus y sub 1 is 4 squared. Now we're going to keep simplifying here. -2 plus 0 is -2 squared plus, that's a squared, okay, plus 3 minus 4 is -1 squared. Let's keep going. -2 squared is -2 times -2, which is 4, plus -1 squared is -1 times -1, which is 1, and that gives us the square root of 5. Now the square root of 5 does not reduce, so that is our distance. Let's look at the midpoint. Once again, we're going to put in what we know. x1 is 0 plus x2 is -2 all over 2, comma, because we have an ordered pair. Let's find the midpoint of these two ordered pairs. We're going to take x1, which is 0, plus x2, which is -2, all over 2, comma, because we have an ordered pair. Now we're going to take y1, which is 4, plus y2, which is 3, all over 2. We're going to continue to simplify. 0 plus -2 is -2 over 2. And then 4 plus 3 is 7 over 2. Now we're going to leave this as an improper fraction, but we do need to simplify this one. That means our midpoint is going to be at -1, 7 halves. All right, good job. Now it's your turn to try one by yourself. You get to try this one, pause the video, find the answers, then press play to check. All right, let's see how you did. Once again, I like to put x1, y1, and then x2, y2 under my ordered pairs. Okay, let's fill our formula in. x2 is -3 minus x1, which is 1, squared, plus y2 is -4 minus y1, which is 5, squared. Okay. I'm going to continue to simplify. -3 minus 1 is -4 squared, plus -4 minus 5 is -9 squared. All right. That's going to give us -4 squared is 16, plus -9 squared is 81. And when we add those together, we end up with 97. 97 does not reduce. There's not a perfect square in it, so this will be our answer. Let's look at the midpoint. We're going to take x1, which is 1, plus x2, which is -3, over 2, comma, because this is an ordered pair, y1, which is 5, plus y2, which is -4, over 2. All right, 1 plus -3 is -2 over 2. And 5 plus -4 is 1 over 2. We need to simplify. And we end up with -1 and 1/2. How crazy is that? All Hopefully this helped you. Thanks for hanging out.